Hi, today we'll show how to convert videos to any format. Let's firstly open the built-in video converter in Joyoshare VidiKit. Then you can either click Add Files button or drag videos to the program. If you want, press Edit button to trim, adjust, apply effect, customize watermark, embed subtitle, and enhance audio. Then click on the Format option to choose a mode. To edit and customize videos, select Format under Encoding mode. Here we can losslessly and fast convert videos under the high-speed mode. It's available to choose whether merge all into one file. Next, hit the Convert button to quickly convert all videos in the list. You can soon check the finished file in the Converted section. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.